Hi, this is Arundhati. Today it will be a kind of inspirational video for my life because I'm very happy what happened today regarding this. And yeah, today in my school it was the annual athletic meet for 2020, and after all those events of our students and guardian also, suddenly our head sir announced that the last event of this annual athletic meet will be a musical chair arranged for the female staff of my school. Since it's a boys school, so yeah, male staffs mainly, they are majority in numbers, and we are only 12 female staffs there. So in the that sudden announcement, we were like uh, just surprised, and our head sir requested all of us to join at that musical chair, and he has arranged himself about the music and all that. And just after the starting of the event, we were supposed to circle around the chairs, and we are supposed to move fast or quickly while the music was running, and once it is done, so we need to capture one chair and sit there. But since we are not at all related to any sports kind of thing, all our female colleagues doesn't like sports at all much, but they were getting very angry about the reactions of our students and guardians, and our male staffs all are laughing at us because we are not in a position to run properly, and the whole idea was to just make fun of us. So after a certain period, the event ends, and yeah, there are some winners. Not me, not at all. I didn't win, but yeah, I have participated. And when we went to our staff room after that, all those female staffs except me was very angry about this kind of situation that we were in, and they were all just got fired, and talking about very anxiously about the reactions of what will happen next. The students will not obey us, and they will laugh at us and all that, and guardians are all, they will also make fun of us and all that. So I find that we are always in a situation on having fear of getting judged by others. So this is common for all, but frankly speaking, I didn't feel bad that much. I just take participation. I just participated in that event and just have fun a little bit. So yeah, but somehow I conquered the fear of getting judged by others. So that is the main point of my today's video or today's topic, that you should conquer the fear of getting judged by others. क्योंकि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर आप ऐसे ही सोचते रहोगे कि ये क्या कहेंगे, वो क्या कहेंगे, सच एज जो मेरे स्टाफ मेरे साथ थे उस वक्त स्टाफ रूम में, they were discussing like students will laugh at us and all that. So you just don't need to bother about all these all the time. I had my earlier experiences in this school that those male staff are not very cooperative, and not at all they are very what should I say, very generous to us. Yeah, not all of them, but some of them are definitely, they misbehave, and they always find a chance to heckle you and all that. So after joining my school, it was like what should I say, worse condition for me to handle that fear कि वो आके कहेंगे कि तुमने ये गलत किया, तुमने वो गलत किया, and all that. Arundhati, you did it wrong. Arundhati, you did that wrong, and all that. चाहे वो मैं क्वेश्चन पेपर बना लूँ या कुछ क्लास अरेंज कर लूँ या कुछ भी, आई मीन सब में वो मेरे गलतियाँ ढूंढते थे. एंड इट वॉज लाइक regular practice. It became a regular practice for me. Okay, I just came back home from my school and I started crying. Okay, he said that me, and he shouted at me like this and all that. And sometimes it gets so miserable that I was so depressed, and I messed up all those professional and personal life, and I just tend to lose my focus on my priorities and my happiness and all that. And always I used to indulge my time in thinking कि कल स्कूल जाऊंगी तो वो ये कहेगा और ये कहेगा कि Arundhati, you did this way, no, this is very wrong and all that. So but today I somehow manage to make myself understand that if you don't mind, then it doesn't matter at all who will laugh at you or who will pass comments at you and who will judge you in their own way, because I don't have the power to control their perspective or their point of views, right? So better I should change my point of view and my reactions and my responses towards that situation, and I have somehow managed to do that today. And I'm so happy that I didn't feel at all bad after participating in that event. Rather, I had fun during that time. I could not run properly, that I know. I am not at all a sports person. I do not like sports very much, but still I enjoyed the event. That was the, I think, you should call it the sportsman spirit. Because everybody come to win, and you can't always be judged by others, and this is the most important thing of your life कि अरे वो मुझ पे हंसेगा या वो डांटेगा या वो कुछ बोलेगा. So लोग तो बोलेंगे ही, लोगों का ऐसे काम ही है औरों में गलतियां निकालना. So you should move on, and what Hate sir taught us today is that when we are stuck in a position and there are one chair and almost 2 or 3 of us was almost standing there to get the chair on, and he was just there to shift the chair a little bit, and we had to move on for that. So if you were stuck in a really bad situation and you got depressed and you got all those bad reactions from others, just shift your concentration to something else of your choice, which will make you happy and which will make you positive, and which will give you a kind of satisfaction. Because in my life I have learned that only indulging my time in thinking that they should pass comments on me at me, and they should do this and they should do that, and I was like in really bad situation. And it took me almost 9.5 years to understand that it's okay to be laughed at. You can't control their emotions and their reactions towards your action. Better you should concentrate on your actions or your responses or your reactions and work on it, and just move your concentration from that bad situation a little bit and try something new. Since last year I had started doing this video and all that. The last winter, I guess, I started a little bit of gardening, just for making me, because flowers make me happy. So my mother-in-law had this passion of gardening a little bit, So I used to take pictures with my mobile uh, of roses and marigold and all that, and post them on my WhatsApp status. And my friends say, "Arey, you are very good at it. Click more pictures and send us." And then I realized, or I thought, okay, I really do have limited flowers around me. So I cannot get access to more flowers every day, because I can't move to any flower exhibition all the day, or every day. So I thought कि चलो कुछ flowers अपने घर में लाते हैं. So and then I started the passion or hobby of gardening in my rooftop. So I had a very little garden, and in last winter I have managed to get there almost 25 to 30 different varieties of flowers, and they all rocked my garden. And I used to click pictures and post them on WhatsApp and send them to my friends, and they were saying like, don't show us only the stills, show us some moving pictures, or you better shoot a video and send us. So I was like, no, it won't look good, because all flowers do not bloom in one day. So they said me, okay, you do it partially. The flowers you are getting in one day, you just shoot, make a video and send us. So that's how I have started shooting them in my garden. And next they have advised me, why don't you open a channel in YouTube? And since last 27th of February of last year 2019, I have started uploading videos in my channel. And yeah, now I am very loving my current passion. I'm very happy. I'm very what should I say, very very enthusiastic I feel, and I feel very positive about it. And when I just shoot a video about flowers or about my little bit of writings and all that, so it gives me a kind of joy, a kind of satisfaction, a kind of positivity into my life. And yeah, I'm just right now I'm very much enjoying making these videos. So that's why I thought, okay, I should share this experience also with you. If any one of you is watching the video, I'm not sure if I will upload it or not, but if I upload it, and if any girl or anybody, I should not say girl all the time, because in almost 50 to 60% cases boys are also bullied, that I know. But in my case, we are also bullied in my school, and so that's not a preferable situation, obviously. But I have just shifted the concentration from this negative side to a better positive side, which gives me a kind of joy and happiness, and added this positive energy to my life. And now I'm just loving it. So I do not have that expectation, okay, I do have millions of subscribers on my channel. No, I don't. Because I'm a very common girl, and everybody, I think, have their own experiences and own perspective and own point of view. And but somehow we always shy from showing it to others, and we always think, okay, people will judge me and tell me about that. But somehow I have managed to conquer that fear of getting judged by others. I really don't know whether you will all like it, this video or not. I really do not care about it, because I'm just filming it right now with my mobile, because I just I'm very happy to tell about myself that I have conquered that fear of getting judged by others. So yeah, we should move on, and we should not stuck in those bad comments, and should not get into depression and all that. So yeah, because being pessimistic, you won't be able to get your happiness back in your life. So being pessimistic cannot be an option for you to live life properly. So just shift your concentration from your problem to somewhat you like, or somewhat which makes you happy, and then see the world around you will start changing. So yeah, I'm very happy today that I didn't feel bad about the reactions of students and guardians and all my mail stuffs over there, and I just enjoyed the time. And yeah, so that's why I think I should tell you all about this. And if any one of you will watch the video and gets a bit of inspiration from my words, then it will be more happier situation for me. And yeah, and in this new year I am just going to learn something called video editing, because I really don't know how to edit videos. On this new year day, on 1st Jan, we had visited Decathlon. I had shot the video, but since I could not edit it till now, I'm unable to edit it till now really. So I could not upload the video. It's almost 14th of this month, and still the video is lying in my laptop and all that. So definitely I should learn how to edit videos, because all I have uploaded till now, almost 260 to 270 videos. My god, I can't think, the number is huge. But yeah, I know the you can say the quality of that videos may be not very good, because I cannot edit sound. It adds some noises around me and all that. Sometimes my hand shakes, because I used to capture all them with my mobile. So sometimes my hand shakes, and sometimes it got blurred, the pictures, and sometimes so much noises around me, that my words tend to lose the intensity. So yeah, I need to edit the videos a little bit for betterment, of course. So definitely in this new year, my resolution is to learn how to do editing with my videos, and hopefully I'll be able to do that, and will upload some marvelous videos this year also. And thank you all for watching me on my channel, and you are really inspiration for me to be happy, and just think something positive about you, and just see that your world is going to change. Just because what you think, or what you really concentrate about, reflects in you. So if you concentrate about positive things and positive environment, so you will get positive reactions positively. So be positive all the time. Don't get loose in others reactions, and don't indulge your time so much in that fear of getting judged by others. So yeah, just shift your concentration to a positive thing, and it will give you immense joy and happiness in your life. So with that positive note, I am here just to end that video. Once again, thanking all of you for listening to me. And yeah, if I can inspire any one of you, then I will be more happier than that. So that's it for today. We'll meet you on another video very soon. So yeah, Ta-da!